I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and I'm going to show you our compatible USA-made spa filter for the Rainbow Inline 50. This is compatible for a number of different models. We'll list all the compatible models and tell you how to check the dimensions, make sure you have the right filter. So this is also compatible with the Filbert FC-2390. And you can check your current filter and see if there's a model number. A lot of times it'll be on the top of the filter. It'll just have a model number in the molded part of the filter. So if you measure from end cap to end cap, it's going to be 13 5/8, and it's going to be 5 inches across. So when you measure the diameter of the filter, the inner hole on the top and the bottom of the filter is going to be 2 1/8 inches. And as you can see, this goes all the way through the filter. There's also, it's hard to see, but this is there's a core in the filter, but it's an open core, so it's a free flow filter. So yeah, some of the other model numbers will be listed. We also make this in an antimicrobial fabric, which for our media, that will be blue, and that will be under the FC. If you search on the site, it will be under FC-2390M, and the M is for the antimicrobial fabric. So if you just want the regular, it's just going to be, you could search it under the FC-2390, for instance. We're going to list all the compatible models that you can use this in, and the compatible replacement parts and OEM parts. This is also under Pleatco's number. It would be compatible with the PRB50. Under Unicell's model number, it will be under the C-4950, and under Pleatco's, it's going to be under the PRB50-IN. This is compatible in the Dynamic 4 series and the Dynamic 50. So if you have any questions, just feel free to message us. We're going to put links to this within the video as well to the products. So you can check out the links below the video. Thanks for tuning in.